to the work that we just finished. I figure I'll post it up for people to see, but all these windows I installed, all the trim I installed, we put these cabinets in. I didn't build the cabinets, but I have. Nice little island here. And I took a pair of bifold doors and modified them so they're just, you know, single doors. Nice little closet. This is the entryway. And I love the way that the trim turned out, you know, with the base shoe and everything. It's pretty cool. Built these little cubbies in here and then custom shelves. Built this little the front door over here. And we built this little cubby for when you walk in so you can put your shoes on. And it's got a really nice stained bench top. And these are just kind of decorative little deals here. That's a fun job. I love doing good work. It's very satisfying. We got the crown molding up there. You see it's got that gap up there, and there's actually strip lighting that goes in there. You can see the wires hanging down. It's LED lighting. Unfortunately, this is what I'm working on right now, the deck. And it kind of sucks because it's cold and rainy and I have to finish putting all these posts up, but it's a big deck. And I had to set all those joists out there myself pretty much, which is why my back's all messed up. And it's got this crazy vaulted angled ceiling we built. This was falling down the hill in the West Hills. This place was just falling apart and we jacked it back up. I built these cabinets from scratch. I planed down all the wood myself from 5/4 stock. Made my own custom doors and shelving and all that. You know, there's something cool about doing this kind of work. It's very satisfying for me. And I popped some skylights in there. And then these are the front doors I'm getting ready to install. They're all stained and nice. Kind of an interesting house, really. I did a closet over here. I don't know if the light works in it. Nope. You can barely catch that. It's just a built-in unit. It was all done from scratch too. And the bathroom, my final destination here. The porcelain god. I built this little sidewall here between the toilet and the tub, and then we tiled it, and turned out really good. I really like it. And I built this little unit down here, which is another like kind of shoe like sitting bench, and above it a little sliding cabinet. And this had to be done. I had to custom build these tracks and stuff, but they ended up working pretty well. We sanded it down because it's going to have another coat of paint, but this is the final piece right here. And this is my pride and joy right here. This is my floating cabinet. And these actual panels right here don't function. They're just built and then installed from the backside and screwed on, so they look like they're real doors, but of course that's the hardware for the sinks. I guess I'll show you how it works. Yeah, we got all the hardware down there and everything, but I build my shit. I build it quality. These drawers I built, these are cool. They're just very simple drawers, but you know, they're nice. They got the self-closers on them. Usually works. I'll tell you, it's hard to get doors or drawers aligned like that, especially when they're inset doors. But the whole look of this place is it's pretty cool. It's a nice little bathroom. So that's the house. That's my job. That's what I'm doing. I spent like 8 months here. We're almost done. Just got to finish the deck and a few details, and that's it. So